Okay, so it's time to look at another case. This is a GameMax Atom. We saw this, it was actually really cheap for how it looked, and we decided to go for it because I have been shopping the past while. If you haven't seen the 2 keyboard videos, then this should be enough for you to see. Now that we have indeed been shopping quite a bit. It's a motherboard, CPU, RAM and hard drive. And there is a load of other stuff as well, just like the mini ITX build we recently did. But anyway, let's get back to this case. So this is the GameMax Atom. Now, this is the first time I've actually seen a GameMax case. If you see here, it's a ATX MIDI tower. GameMax Atom, like I've said like 3 times now. Here's some features. It has 1 USB 3 port on the front, 2 USB 2 ports on the front, HD audio, toolless drive bays, stylized window, two 120mm fans, blue LED fans, black interior, interior cable management, and supports up to 6 hard drives. So let's get into the box. Oh, there's always that one corner that does not want to open. Now, so there you can just see the top of it. That's the front of it, actually. So this should be the connector on there. This wants to come off. So here is the GameMax Atom in all its cheap glory. Sorry, affordable glory. So here you see the front of it. You have this kind of ridged design with you have your mesh behind it for kind of dust filtering. You have your power button. Very small reset button that you probably need to press with maybe a pen, which I have. Thank you, school, for the one thing. Your 2 USB 2 ports, 1 USB 3, headphone microphone jack, 2 places for 5¼ inch bays. You have this indent on the side here for cable management, and of course your window. Now this case does not move a lot on the table with the rubber feet it has. If you can see those, just rubber on the very bottom. Let's get the side panel off. Let's get these side panels off, if we can. There's this. Now, that glorious sound that makes my ears bleed. Now there is a slight tint off this, if you can see. Not much. I'm looking at the wall there, comparing the colours, and there's barely a tint at all. But that's kind of how I like it, because that means any lighting you have at all, you're going to be able to really see into your case. So let's take off this side panel. There we go. Put it down there. And now you can see here's the cutout for the motherboard. There are no grommets, but you'll be able to make your cable management look neat enough, or at least I should be able to. Here's your molex for your fans, your two front blue LED fans, your toolless drive caddies. One's for SSDs. And then your one for the normal hard drives. Here are all your front I/O stuff. Comes with a few, what is it, 5 for 3 or 5 cable ties, I can't probably see. And all your screws that you'll need. Little rubber stands for your power supply to keep it levitated up a bit. Yeah, that's cool. I'm definitely looking forward to doing a build in this case. It does look quite nice. It is relatively light, which is good, so when you put a full system in here it's not going to be ridiculously heavy. And yeah, and it does have the actual reasonably well sized motherboard cut out. Now thankfully the edges are rolled, so I'm not going to pass a cable through and have my fingers come off. That's nice. There are plenty of places for you to put cables, including up in the top corner, so you can route your 4-pin or 8-pin for your CPU, which is quite nice. It does not come with an exhaust fan, but we have about 50 fans lying around the house somewhere, so that won't really be a problem for us. And yeah, so from on first inspection it looks quite nice, and if you wait till the end of the week I'll have a build up with using this, and then maybe one using another case, which should be getting here in the next few days. So this has been my unboxing and overview of the GameMax Atom mid-tower case. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one.